Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make utensils soap at home. Have you ever considered crafting your own dish soap? It's a fantastic way to reduce waste, save money, and know exactly what ingredients are touching your dishes. We'll go over the simple steps and natural components needed to create an effective and eco-friendly cleaning solution for all your kitchenware. Get ready to transform your dishwashing routine with this easy DIY project. To begin your soap-making journey, you'll need a few basic ingredients and tools. We'll be using natural components like cast-iron soap, washing soda, and essential oils for a pleasant scent. For equipment, gather a heat-safe bowl, a whisk, and molds for shaping your soap. Safety is key, so consider wearing gloves and eye protection. These simple items will form the foundation of your effective and gentle homemade utensil soap, ensuring a clean and natural wash every time. Now for the fun part, making the soap. First, gently melt your cast-iron soap base using a double boiler or microwave. Once melted, carefully stir in the washing soda until fully dissolved. This step is crucial for creating a powerful cleaning agent. Next, add your chosen essential oils for a lovely aroma. Pour the mixture into your molds and let it set completely, which usually takes several hours. Patience here ensures a firm, long-lasting bar of soap ready for action. Once your homemade utensil soap has fully hardened, it's ready to tackle your dirty dishes. Simply wet a sponge or brush and rub it over the soap bar to create a rich lather. For storage, keep your soap in a dry, well-ventilated area to prevent it from becoming soft. You can also experiment with different essential oils like lemon or tea tree for varied scents and added cleaning properties. Enjoy the satisfaction of using your own natural, effective, and beautifully scented dish soap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.